Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Reddit banner on your Reddit account. Simply click your profile on the upper right hand side, guys, and go down to settings. And once you're under the settings section, click in profile. Now here you will find an option called banner. If you click in that, you have the option to upload a banner. Now you may be wondering, where can I get a banner, right? It is super easy to find one. If you head over to canva.com and create a Canva account, you will have the option here from the top to just simple search, right? So whether you're in home or wherever, you can simply click on the search at the top, and all you have to do is simple type in Reddit banner, right? Once you type in Reddit banner, you will have many options. Once you hit enter, you'll find a ton of different Reddit banners that you can download. So here are different Reddit banners. You can simply go ahead and look for the free ones, and once you find one that you like, you can modify it and basically save it, and then you can quickly upload it, right? So that's pretty much it. You want to ensure that you're looking for the ones with the free account. So once you sign into your Canva account, you will be able to find these, and you can easily go ahead and use these banners. So if you just want to click on that one, for example, you click on use template, and you can simply go ahead and start by downloading and saving. You can edit everything on these different banners, and you're able to save them. So for example, if I want to use this one, I can simply go ahead and click on share on the upper right hand side, click and download, guys, and you will see that you can hit download and download that banner. So as you can see right here, I'm currently downloading this banner. And now if I head back over to my Reddit account, guys, you can see if I click on upload here, you can find a banner, add the banner in. It's going to fit perfectly. Click and save, and that's it. If I click my profile on the upper right and click on view profile, you will see that I have a banner there, and that's it. So if you look to the upper right here, this is my banner for my Reddit account, and that's all there is to it, guys.